You're losing testosterone every single day, and the worst part is, you don't even notice it. Studies show that men's testosterone levels drop about 1% every single year, and this one hormone shapes everything: your muscle size, your bone density, your confidence, your drive, even how masculine you feel. Without it, you'll look, move, and live like half the man you could be. But don't worry, in this video, you'll learn 5 science-based tips to boost your testosterone in just 1 month naturally. And stay till the end, because the last tip is the most important one. Without it, nothing else will work. Ultimately, I'll also provide you with a 7-day plan to start seeing noticeable changes quickly. Let's jump in. 1. Sleep like it's your job. Most men think they need a new supplement, but the truth is, if you're not sleeping well, you're destroying your testosterone. Research from the University of Chicago found that men who slept only 5 hours a night had their testosterone drop by 10 to 15% in just 1 week. That's massive. You could be training hard, eating perfectly, and still lose your gains because of poor sleep. To fix it, sleep 7 to 9 hours a night. Keep your room cool and dark. Avoid phone screens 1 hour before bed. The blue light kills melatonin and delays your sleep hormones. Sleep isn't optional. It's your natural testosterone booster. 2. Train like a man with intensity. Your body produces testosterone when it feels you need to be strong. That means resistance training, especially compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, triggers that hormonal signal. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that heavy, short, and intense workouts can create a sharp spike in testosterone for up to 48 hours. To fix it, train 3 to 4 days per week. Keep workouts under 60 minutes. Focus on strength and intensity, not endless cardio. If you want to feel masculine, you've got to train like one. 3. Eat real food, especially the right fats and minerals. Here's the truth. Your hormones are literally made from the nutrients you eat. Low-fat diets, processed junk, and missing key minerals equals low testosterone. Your body needs zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D to produce testosterone efficiently. And healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, eggs, and grass-fed meat keep your hormonal engine running. To make sure your body actually gets these key nutrients every day, I use high-quality zinc, vitamin D3, and magnesium. Even with the best diet, it's hard to get enough from food alone. Many people notice a big difference in energy, recovery, and testosterone boost in just a week. I've linked the exact supplements I trust in the description, with an explanation of the benefits of each one of them, so you can cover all 3 easily. 4. Keep it cool, literally. Your testicles are outside your body for a reason. They need to stay cooler than your core. When they overheat, testosterone production crashes. A study from the American Journal of Physiology found that even a 2 degrees Celsius increase in scrotal temperature significantly reduces sperm and testosterone levels. To fix it, avoid tight pants or underwear. Don't keep your laptop on your lap. Take cooler showers and let your body breathe. Even small changes here make a big difference over time. 5. Quit porn and over-masturbation. It's draining you. This one's uncomfortable, but it's real science. Constant porn and over-masturbation rewire your brain's dopamine system. When you're overstimulated, your brain becomes numb to real-world rewards, lifting, goals, women, life. That means less drive, less ambition, and less testosterone. To fix it, go 7 days without porn, just 1 week. Redirect that energy into your gym, work, or creative projects. Notice how your focus and energy skyrocket. If you don't fix this one, none of the other tips will ever work. Now that you know what to do, here are the most common mistakes you should avoid and be aware of. Overtraining. Lifting for 2 hours every day spikes cortisol, the hormone that kills testosterone. Ignoring stress, Chronic stress raises cortisol, which steals resources your body needs to produce testosterone. Living without purpose. A man with no direction will always feel drained, mentally and hormonally. Your hormones follow your habits. Now follow this program and thank me later. Day 1. Fix your sleep. 8 solid hours, no phone before bed. Your hormones reset while you sleep. Day 2. Train hard. Short, intense workouts like squats or sprints. Push heavy, rest short. Day 3. Eat real eggs, red meat, avocado, and nuts. Cut sugar and seed oils. Day 4. Get sunlight. 20 minutes of morning sun boosts vitamin D and testosterone. Day 5. Cut plastics. Use glass or steel bottles. Drink clean water. Day 6. No porn, no overmasturbation. Save that energy and channel it into your goals. Day 7. Reflect and plan. Set one clear goal for the week ahead. Your purpose fuels your testosterone. Repeat for 4 weeks and you'll feel the difference. Stronger, sharper, more masculine. If this video gave you value, drop a comment below. Tell me which habit you're going to fix first. And by the way, there's one legendary exercise that almost nobody talks about. It's simple, it's easy, and if you do it just 3 minutes a day, you'll see a complete transformation in your body in just weeks. In the next video, I'll break it all down, backed by real science and proof you can actually see. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-based tips to build a stronger, healthier body. Stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.